Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram issue that at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature. Try again later. If you are trying to use any specific feature of Instagram and you're having the issue that your account is not eligible to use that feature, so let's see how can you fix that. So basically it might be your network issues. So very first you have to refresh your network settings. So now to do that you have to quickly press on this or you have to try to enable or disable your Wi-Fi or your airplane mode to refresh all over your network settings. Then go for settings app, go for general app, and here go for VPN and device management, and you have to disable your VPN or disconnect with that. If you're connected, your VPN will affect location based content, like if you're trying to go live on Instagram, so you cannot do that. So use VPN.